This is boat rocker 385. So this one is pretty good other than boat rockers 325. So let's uh, open it and do unboxing. So branding is pretty good with Pandya, and yes, if you see, the packaging is pretty good and premium. As you see that the features are like HD HD voice, Qualcomm chipset, dynamic drivers, Bluetooth 4.1, integrated remote control, and voice 6 version, smart voice alert, dual pairing functions, and up to 20 hours of battery, and collar style design. Yeah, design is pretty good, and yeah, it's look better. So let's start with this. So you see that open it, the packaging is pretty good and like premium. So let's see what something. Its my market price is 6,999. I got it for 2,500. So let's open it. So if you see, the packaging is pretty good. So we'll check what else we have here. Okay, so so you got data cable, extra AirBuds, and yeah, the product manuals, warranty cards, and yes, their user manuals like other products what they have, like this. Yeah, Nirvana category they have better options. And in this they have functional detail, dual pairing, you can pair it with your mobile laptop same time, and uses battery backup is pretty good, up to like 20 hours they are claiming, and it will stand. Okay, so that's it. So in look wise, like if you see, like the finish is pretty good, and it is look very stylish. Airbuds is pretty amazing, and in Airbuds it's a backup. As it look come up with the leather, general leather finish and matte finish also, with shine finish on the top, branding on the left and right, and control buttons here. This is power cord, they give you separate on off buttons here, and it's have a power like indicator, microphone is at the same time, it's a volume on off control and malfunction buttons here. So overall this one is pretty good, like as compared to about RockerZ 325. Earlier I brought that, but I asked for replacement because that one is having some microphone issues. So yeah, it's look pretty good because it's have overall matte finish, and inside also, yeah, it's look bit bulky, but it's okay because if you see is a neck band, it's a complete neck band. Yeah, so with collar it's not give you feel of heaviness. Yeah, but overall is good. So I've used it for almost for 1 week, and yeah, battery backup is pretty good. If you use daily for 1 hour, it will stand you almost 1 week, like average 4 to 5 hours. If you continuously use 24 hour, it will stand like almost 3 days. And yeah, voice quality is good, calling response is good, and Bluetooth meters is almost 10 meters. So okay, that's it. I will give you a review of 1 month after using it. I just use it. Yeah, but RockerZ 325 is not yeah, that was is very slim and silicone finished and neck, but this one is pretty good. Okay, bye bye. So there you go. 325.